Hi, everybody. Well, you know what? Tonight is really a special night here in the house of Oscar Wright. I have my friend here, Osvaldo, who's from Naples. He's a real Napolitano. I mean, he's so real that in his house they speak the Neapolitan language. And you know, as marvelous and as unique and special as Italy is, the people from Naples are like 10 times that. They're an incredible race of people. They're just full of life and living, and what can I tell you? The attitude is amazing. Of course, they love to talk and sing. And he's cooking now. As a matter of fact, here he is. Look, and he's cooking. Osvaldo, say hello to everybody here. Say hello.
Buonasera, buonasera. Stiamo facendo proprio due pumarulelle con la salsa.
Look at it.
Mi fanno un vermiciello e poi ci mettiamo due pezzetti di mozzarella a coppa.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? That's the Neapolitan language he was speaking. He was speaking about what he's preparing tonight. He's preparing a special spaghetti with the mozzarella cheese, this mozzarella thing, and special little tomatoes that are and it's a very simple and beautiful. Che altre cose?
E la mozzarella è fatta con latte di bufala.
Bufala, che cosa è poi?
Bufala è un latte speciale indicato per fare la mozzarella. La vera mozzarella è fatta con latte di bufala.
Wow. Well, did you hear he's speaking about the real mozzarella, the authentic mozzarella, which is a special cheese from his city and from the region. And we are speaking and we are listening to Neapolitan music tonight. And and our wine today is here you go. It's kind of a special Ligia Romano. It's a special kind of wine. It's special because I always buy the best of the cheap red wines that I can find. And this is a very good cheap red wine. So, anyways, whenever my friend is here, it's like, what a feeling. People from Napoli are unique in the world. Anyways, a little report to you about tonight's guests and tonight's event. I'll see you later.